I first saw someone using Claude skills somewhere in November last year, and at first I was extremely overwhelmed because I had never written a single line of code. Neither did I know how to use all of those commands that they were using in those terminals. And what I saw was people were using Claude code on terminals to run these skills. They were using commands to run these skills, which made it even more overwhelming for me because I thought Claude code is for developers. But the idea of using those Claude skills made immediate sense to me. A file that you simply load into Claude, it has the full context, it has your voice, your audience details, your rules, everything in there. You don't have to type it again, and just use that command and it does the work for you. After watching some of those videos, I spent some time trying to build one. I read the documentation, but every time I reached all of those technical aspects involved in the documentation, I told myself that it was not for me and I just gave up. If that is your experience, if you felt that Claude skills is something that is very difficult to build, then this video is for you. Because what I am about to show you does not require learning any kind of Python codes or even writing those commands. In fact, you don't even need to use a terminal to run Claude code. So let's get started. Hello and welcome to Create, Learn, Earn. My name is Dilip. I am a blogger, podcaster, and affiliate marketer. And if you're new here, then this is a channel where I share a lot of tips, tricks, and systems that can help you make money with content and using AI. So if you're not subscribed to this channel, then you might want to do it right away. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you stay updated with all of the latest videos that I release. So about Claude skills and how you can use it to save time in your workflow. Now, I've been building content systems since 2003. I started with a blog. I produced multiple podcast episodes. Some of them have crossed more than 3 million downloads. I spent 17 years in a corporate and I was building all of these alongside my full-time corporate job. The constraint was always time. I did not have enough time to do all of these. When AI tools came and made it possible to multiply the output without multiplying the hours, I started spending time to understand how it worked. And that is how I came across Claude skills. I knew it was powerful, but I was struggling to use it. I didn't know how to get the right skills done or how to write or create the right skills which can do the job that I wanted to. In this video, I'm going to show you how I use 18 pre-built Claude skills to run my entire content workflow, and some of them automated. I've even created some agents, but all of this without writing a single line of code. These skills write me the scripts for the videos, my blog posts, my emails, pretty much everything that I want, and all of that in my own voice, in my own style. And by the end of this video, you will be able to use all of these skills for yourself, for your content pipeline. But first, let me tell you about what a Claude skill is and how it looks. Now, I'm on my Claude desktop. I'll go to customize, and here you will be able to find there are two options here, skills and connectors. If you click on skills here, it will open up all of the skills that you have. Now, you can see here there are almost about 21 different skills that I have created for myself, which I use for all of my content workflow. Now, what is a Claude skill? A Claude skill is a simple markdown file. It has an extension called as .md. It's similar to that of a text file, but with some slight difference in the way it is written. Now, that is the technical side of it. Now, what is inside this file is what actually matters. It contains all of your instructions, your voice preferences, your audience details, your product information, your formatting rules, your styling guide, pretty much everything. Now, when you run a skill, Claude reads this entire file here and then goes on to produce the output that you want it to. Now, think about what this means in practice. Instead of writing a prompt with all of what you're seeing here, these kind of long prompts over and over again in your chat with the AI that you're using, it doesn't matter if it is ChatGPT or if it is Claude Code. Instead of writing that entire long prompt, Claude remembers what you said in the last session. It loads that skill. It knows everything about your preferences, what you need. It knows your niche. It knows your audience, and it knows the exact CTA that you use in all of your content, and then it generates the output for you. Now, the problem where most beginners or most creators like you and me face or get stuck is in knowing how to build this file. What goes where? How do I know what are the instructions that I need to write inside this file so that Claude can read it? And that is what I am trying to solve in this video. So watch the video till the end, because you will be able to use all of these 18 to 20 different skills for yourself, customized to your needs by the end of this video. Now, these are the skills that I use, but I don't want to go through all of these skills right now. Instead, I'll show you 4 of the skills that I use, and one of that is extremely important in my entire workflow. Now, those 4 skills are the YouTube script writer, the lead magnet builder, the email copywriter, and finally the anti-AI writing skill. Now, I'll tell you what this skill is. Now, let me quickly show you what is there inside this YouTube script writer. You can see here it is a complete file that writes the script for me. All I do is just type the video topic, the product that I'm promoting, and whether I want it to be a short form or a long form format, and what comes back is a script in my own voice, my sentence structure, my story hooks, my approach to the CTAs, pretty much everything written in there. I maybe just have to do some slight edits to it, and then I can send it to the teleprompter and record my entire video. And to invoke it, all I need to do is just type a simple command /YouTube script writer, and it'll come back and ask me a few questions, and then from there on it'll start writing the script. So here it comes. It says I'll read the sprint state file first, then ask what is needed. Today is May 30th. VL2 goes live according to the schedule. A script is due today. Now, what it is doing is it is reading my content calendar, and it is coming back and asking me some of these questions. What is the video topic, or which video from the sprint are we scripting? Is there a specific angle or a personal story you want included? What is the length, short, standard, or deep dive? Now, once I answer these questions here, this particular skill will go ahead and write the entire video for me. Similarly, I have some of these other skills that I built here, like the lead magnet builder. Now, the lead magnet builder, I use a different folder for it. I have a folder called as digital products. So all I need to do is just go ahead and select the digital assets folder here, and I invoke that particular skill, lead magnet builder, and it'll go through the questions that it needs to ask me, and then help me build a lead magnet for my audience. So here it is. I'll gather what I need to build this lead magnet, answer what you know, skip what doesn't apply here, and it'll ask me a few questions. You can see here. Now, I need to answer each of these questions, and this skill will help me build a lead magnet. Similarly, I can use the email script writer, which basically writes one email for me every day. All I need to do is just proofread it and schedule it to be sent to my email list. Now, that's the power of the skills. And one of the best skills that I spoke to you about was the anti-AI writing skill. Now, what does this skill do? Now, this skill is built on the known identifications of how an AI written content looks, or what AI writing looks like. Now, there are a lot of documents online on the internet which tells you, or which speaks about what makes AI writing different from a human writing. What are the things that AI tends to do a lot which humans don't, and what are the reasons, or what are the things that make AI written content look like it was written by AI. So I gathered all of that information, as much information as possible from the internet, and built an anti-AI writing skill. Now, what happens is, in every piece of content that is written, it doesn't matter if it is a YouTube script, It doesn't matter if it is an email or a lead magnet. These skills, the primary skills that write this content, finally uses the anti-AI writing skill to check and see if the content looks like it was written by AI. Once it verifies everything, it removes everything that looks like it was written by AI, corrects it, and gives it a human voice. That is the most important skill in my entire workflow, which makes my content look like it was written by a human. Now, what you just saw were three simple skills and one anti-AI writing skills. Now, I have all of the other skills that I need, which basically helps me simplify or streamline my entire workflow and saves me at least about 10 to 12 hours every week. And what I also did is I used Claude to build me this command center. Now, what this command center does, it gives me everything that I need to look at a glance. You can see here are the manual tasks that I need to do today. Here are the things that are running automatically, and these are all automatic tasks that run. And you can see here there are some quick invocations which are basically the commands that I can use. I have it all on my fingertips. If you go to playbook, it tells me everything that happens every day, every activity that I need to do, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It has everything in there. There is an automation tab which tells me what are the different automated tasks that I have, which are active, which are paused, when does it run, what does it do, everything. And here is an automated agentic workflow that I've built inside Claude Code, which basically runs automatically and does some of my content generation. I have a commands tab here which tells me what are the different commands that I need to use to invoke some of the skills or the agents that I have built. This is so that I don't get lost, because there are a lot of these commands that I use, and instead of searching here and there to find what command to use, I can simply come here and find the command. You can see here there are some agentic workflows that I've built, the YouTube pipeline, the blog and SEO pipeline. All of these have been built inside Claude Code, and mind you, these are all built without writing a single line of code. And finally, I have a tasks page here which tells me what are the important tasks that I need to do, and a YouTube HQ which tells me what is my content plan. I have built my plan for almost 2 months ahead, and I can look at this and I know what is it that I need to do every day. Now, this is all built inside Claude Code. If you want to learn how I built all of this, you can drop a comment below and I'll record a video showing how I can do this, and I'll help you build your own command center without writing a single line of code on Claude Code. So those were all of the Claude skills that I am using, and how a Claude skill actually look and what it does. Now, how do you create a Claude skill? It is pretty simple. All you need to do is just to customize and to skills, and you'll find that there is a plus button here. When you click on plus, you can browse the available skills. These are skills that are pre-built. You'll be able to see there are a lot of these skills that are already available from Anthropic and its partners. You can install any of these on your own, or you can click on plus, create skill, create with Claude. When you click on create with Claude, it opens the usual Claude chat, and all that you need to do is just type in what is it that you want to do. So you can give it your instructions, you can give it as much information as you want, and just chat regularly and tell it what you intend the skill to do. That is one way of doing it. Another way is to write the skill instructions on your own. So you click on write skill instructions, and you can see here it opens up a small pop-up where you see a skill name, the description, and all of the instructions. Now this is where a lot of us kind of get stuck, because this instructions means that you need to write every instruction in as much detail as possible. And finally, you have an option of uploading a skill. So all that you need to do is just drag and drop a pre-created skill file in here, and Claude installs that for you. And that is where the 18 pre-built skills that I have created will come in handy for you. You can simply drag and drop those files in here, and these 18 skills will start showing up on your Claude Code desktop. So if you're interested in getting hold of these 18 pre-created skills, then I have a link in the description box below. Go ahead and check it out. You'll be able to download all of these 18 skills, customize it for yourself, and start using it. And the best part about that package, it even sets up your entire workspace. It streamlines your entire workspace, organizes it into different kind of folders so that the right files go into the right folder, and you are not overwhelmed, or you're not left looking for something that is very important and you don't know where it is placed. So there is a skill that I've created which sets up that entire workspace for you even before you start using any of the others. So something that you might want to keep in mind is that Claude Skills does not think for you. They take what you already know and produces it at scale. If your content has been unfocused, the skill will produce unfocused and useless content. But if your content has a clear point of view and a specific audience, then a skill will express that consistently across the entire piece of content. And if you're creating it on your own, like what I showed, it is going to take some time because you have to go through all of those step-by-step questions that Claude Code will ask you. You will have to write all of those instructions, give it those instructions, and then Claude Code will go and create that skill for you. It builds your entire profile. It builds every one of those skill files, which you can then save to the skill repository that you have here and start using it. So if you're planning to build any of these skills on your own, keep in mind that it is going to take at least about an hour. If you want to build a skill that actually creates content in your voice and in your style, because it is going to take time. It is going to take time to answer some of those questions, be as accurate as possible, give it as many examples, and then create those skills. So it is going to take at least about an hour. Keep that in mind. But once that is done, there can be a lot of savings. It is real, and it will compound every week that you use these skills. Now, if you want to avoid the time to set up all of these skills, I have created a package with 18 pre-built skills, the exact skills that you saw here on my desktop, and one additional bonus skill, which is a workspace setup skill. So what that skill does is it asks you a few questions, and then it sets up the workspace for you. It organizes everything so that every skill goes into a folder, creates a structure that is organized, and you know what skill does what and where to go to look for the files that these generate. So this entire thing is automatic. All that you need to do is just run the first workspace setup skill. It will guide you through setting up all of the other skills, install whatever it is that you want, go ahead, use it, and you can save at least 10 to 12 hours every week. So if you're interested in this package, you'll be able to find a link in the description box below. Go ahead, click that link, download the package, install it, and if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comments below and I'll respond to all of that. When you download the package, you will also get access to my support email where you can write to me and I'll help you solve whatever problem you're facing. If you found value in this video, then do give this video a thumbs up. If you want to learn more about using Claude and Claude skills from a non-technical perspective, from somebody who is not a developer or a technical person who understands writing codes and using these terminals, then drop a comment below. I'll create more videos for you. I will create an agentic workflow video, which is a very simple workflow where there are multiple agents talking to each other and does a lot of things automatically for you, saving you a lot of time. So I'll create a video around that so that you can also build these kind of agentic workflows and save a lot of time in your work. So that's all that I have for this video. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, then do give this video a thumbs up. It'll help others find this video. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comments below. I'll respond to all of that. And if you're new to this channel and haven't subscribed to this channel yet, then go ahead, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you stay updated with all of the latest videos that I release. I'll be back again with another video around creating content and making money from it. Until then, create, learn, earn. So goodbye from Dilip.